How to log into your OpenAI. Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to log into your OpenAI. Be sure to watch until the end, and if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. To begin, open your web browser and in the search bar type openai.com and then tap on search. After accessing the official OpenAI website, you will see the option of menu. Tap on that and then click on Login. Click on any option you would like to move ahead with. Now tap on Login. Enter the email address you used to sign up for OpenAI in the provided text box and then tap on Continue. Then enter your OpenAI account password in the password text box and click Continue. If you have forgotten your password, you can select the Forgot Password link to set a new one. Then you will gain immediate access to your OpenAI account. OpenAI is a leading artificial intelligence research laboratory known for developing advanced AI models. Their mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. Through their research and technology, OpenAI aims to push the boundaries of AI capabilities while ensuring ethical and safe development. And that's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.